Hi, my name's Mike Smith, and I'm currently chair of the communication department here at LaSalle University. I'm sorry we didn't have the opportunity to meet face-to-face at this Blue and Gold event. However, I wanted to spend a few minutes talking to you about why you might choose communication at LaSalle University. There's four really good reasons. First, the curriculum that we have that allows you to explore almost any aspect of communication. Second, our think, do philosophy that animates everything that we do. Third, the involvement and engagement that you can have when you come to LaSalle, the experience that you can get on campus and through internships. And then finally, the success that our alumni have enjoyed for over 40 years, and they're waiting to help you as well. Now, this video might seem a little hokey, given some of the things I'm going to show you, but I hope it gives you a sense of why you should choose LaSalle. First, I think you should choose LaSalle because of the curriculum that we have. Communication is one of the #1 job skills that employers are looking for. The CEO of LinkedIn recently said that the biggest skills gap in the American workforce is communication, not technology, not business skills, but communication. That's been our bread and butter for the 40 years that we've been in existence. In addition to a general communication education, which could be a second major or a minor for those of you who aren't thinking about a career in communication, we do expose you to and train you in a variety of things that you can do. We really have three majors in one. The first is media and journalism, which allows you to work in television, report the news. You'll see some of our alumni on the airwaves around Philadelphia. Write for TV, movies, commercials, to make movies and other forms of entertainment programming. The second major within a major that we have is public relations, where organizations tell their stories to people who help support them. Organizations of all kinds, from large corporations to nonprofit organizations to cause-related organizations, and a variety of agencies. Our alumni have worked in all of those different areas and are waiting to have you join them. And finally, our interpersonal communication track, which allows you to understand people and build relationships in a variety of ways, in families, with friendships, in romantic relationships, and finally in organizations of all kinds. Majors who've graduated in this track get jobs in human resources, training and development, and they've gone on to other careers such as the law and graduate school. In addition to our great curriculum, it's our philosophy of not only constructing the courses that we have, but your entire experience at LaSalle. That philosophy is summed up by the motto, think, do, which you'll see all around the department. Communication is a 2,000-year-old discipline. Well before there were television cameras and radio broadcasting and the internet, we were studying communication, beginning with Aristotle's rhetoric right up to the latest tweet. Students in our program study all of that. We allow you to know something, to think about the many concepts and theories that have shaped communication. But we also encourage you to do. Almost all of our classes feature some sort of experiential learning component. And the capstones in our classes, in our curriculum, the classes that seniors take, encourage you to create video and video projects and journalism projects of your own design, to work with nonprofit organizations, to create public relations plans and programs, and to build training and development sessions that help people develop their interpersonal communication skills. So you walk out of our classes with experience and skills that you can show future employers. The third big reason to pick communication is the involvement and the engagement that you have both on campus and off. Within 2 weeks of coming to campus, you can be working for LaSalle TV, which goes out to over 300,000 homes in the Delaware Valley. Our students who are on the air get recognized on the street, and with the guidance of our station director, they create, write, star in, edit, shoot a variety of programs, including sports, news, community affairs, game shows, even a couple of trivia programs. And they're always looking for new ideas. In addition to LaSalle TV, you could write for the Collegian, our weekly newspaper. Write, edit, create, layout, sell advertising for a paper that's been in publication for over 100 years. You could be part of the Public Relations Student Society of America. Our PRSSA chapter has been recognized as a star chapter 4 out of the last 5 years. That means it's one of the top 10% of chapters in the United States. Our students engage in LaSalle Radio, WEXP, and also work in the Mask, our theater company, as well as a variety of other student publications and blogs. That experience on campus translates into good internships. We have over 500 internships with organizations all across the country, including here throughout the Delaware Valley. Students who are in their first or second year can get 1-credit internships to take advantage of the many media opportunities and public relations opportunities that are here in the, regularly in Philadelphia. Once you are a junior or a senior, you can get 3 credits for your internships and count them as part of your major. These internships include all the major sports teams in Philadelphia, all the major broadcast outlets, production companies, PR firms, human resources firms, training and development organizations. Anything that you want to explore, you can get an internship in. Here's the great thing about all of this involvement. You don't have to wait to get it. Some places make you wait up to 2 years to get involved with student media organizations. Here at LaSalle, you can step into LaSalle TV studio and be involved within 2 weeks of becoming a freshman here. The final big reason why you should think about LaSalle and consider us for your communication future are the outcomes that we have. Our alumni do well. They get jobs, they get paid, they secure awards and are recognized in their field. In fact, just last year, we were recognized by an organization called College Factual as one of the top 1% best value communication programs in the country. This is over 300 programs that they evaluated, and we were among the top 1%. That means that our students get jobs at a higher rate than the national average. They get paid a little better than the national average. And 10 years out, our alumni are earning higher than their peers from other communication programs. A recent study from Georgetown University and another organization also reaffirmed that fact. So not only do you get jobs, but you also get paid over time. We're the top-ranked communication program in the state of Pennsylvania for these outcomes. In addition to that, our students, our alumni pick up some hardware. This is one of at least 15 Emmy Awards one of our students who works for NFL Films has received. And he gifted it to the communication program because he started at NFL Films as an intern nearly 20 years ago. And that's the real secret to our successful alumni. For over 40 years, we've been sending alumni into the field of communication, and they look back to LaSalle, to students that we have now, and to you, to follow in their footsteps going forward. They provide internships, career advice, they come back to speak to our classes, they do an alumni networking night, and all of this is available to you here in the 5th largest media market in the country. Those are the reasons why I think you should join hundreds of your fellow students in choosing LaSalle. Don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or need more information about the major. Thanks very much, and I look forward to seeing you on campus next fall.